Hi, in this video we're going to use Pythagoras theorem to find some property of a circle. In this case we want to find the circumference of this circle. Now we're given this right angle triangle here, and we're also told, it says that JL is the diameter, so this length here is the diameter of this circle. It's a circle theorem which we haven't covered yet, that basically the angle inside a semicircle, because if this is a diameter, this is a semicircle, but basically the angle in a semicircle is always going to be 90 degrees. Now that's not something you might have covered yet, so it's given in the diagram for you. So this is a right angle, which means we can use Pythagoras theorem on this triangle here. Now if we just draw out that triangle separately, we've got, so this is K, this is J, this is L. We're given this is 14 centimeters, at the bottom we have 5. We could find this diameter D, which is this length here, the diameter, using Pythagoras theorem. And remember how Pythagoras theorem works? If you do one of the shorter lengths squared and you add the other shorter length squared, doesn't matter which way they go round, that gives you the length of the diameter, the hypotenuse squared. And remember, the hypotenuse is always opposite the right angle. It's the longest length of a right angle triangle. So if you just work this out, you do the square root of both sides, get rid of that squared. And we do that on a calculator. And that gives you the diameter is 14.866. So this diameter here, get rid of this. This diameter is 14.866 centimeters from here to here. Okay, we're asked for the circumference of the circle. Now, in another skill, we worked out how we could find the circumference of the circle. The circumference of a circle is pi times the diameter of a circle. Or you might have also seen 2 times pi times the radius, 2 pi r. So the circumference is just pi multiplied by the diameter, which we worked out was 14.866. Now, pi is just a fixed value, it's 3.141, etc., but you can get it on your calculator. And let's times these together. So we've got pi, I'm going to have to use shift to get that, times by that diameter. And that gives me 46.7 centimeters. So that is the circumference. It's 46.7 centimeters to 1 decimal place. And we're done.